Maintaining your MSR stove ensures safe and efficient performance. Two types of maintenance kits are available for each model of MSR liquid fuel stove. The annual maintenance kit includes tools and parts needed to perform basic maintenance on your stove and pump. The Expedition Service Kit includes everything you need for comprehensive maintenance and repair. To perform all the maintenance described in this video, you will need the WhisperLite Expedition Service Kit. After several months of frequent use, deposits may have built up in the fuel line and be clogging the jet. If your stove's performance is compromised, first try and clear the jet by using the stove's built-in shaker needle. If the stove still performs poorly, it may be necessary to conduct a comprehensive cleaning of the fuel line and jet. If this does not improve performance, then perform maintenance on the pump. For pump maintenance, please watch the pump maintenance video. This covers the proper maintenance for all MSR pumps. Close the control valve on the pump to turn off the stove and wait 5 minutes for it to cool down. Disconnect the stove's fuel line from the pump and shake the stove up and down. You will hear the shaker pin clearing the jet. Reattach the fuel line to the pump. Prime and run the stove as usual. In most cases, the stove will once again perform well. Over time, these deposits can build up to the point where they cannot be cleared by the shaker needle. In these cases, the stove may require more extensive cleaning of the jet and fuel line. Turn off the stove again and let it cool for 5 minutes. Disconnect the fuel line from the pump. Fold the pot supports to their packed position. For the standard WhisperLite, simply unscrew the priming cup. If you have the WhisperLite International, unscrew the priming cup and remove the wick. Slide out the fuel line generator loop, then replace the priming cup to keep the pot supports in place. Using the jet and cable tool, unscrew the stove's jet and shaker needle. Make sure you do not bend the fuel line generator loop. Manually clear the jet using the jet cleaning wire or the needle on the shaker. The hole in your stove's jet is very small, but can be seen when held up to the light. If the jet has a blockage that you cannot clear, then replace it with a new one from the Expedition Service Kit, making sure it is the same jet type. There are 3 types of jets available for WhisperLite stoves. 2 of these jets are specific to the WhisperLite International and have a letter code stamped on the head of the jets, indicating which fuels they can be used with. The unmarked G jet is for the standard WhisperLite. The IG jet is used for white gas and unleaded auto fuel. The K jet is used for kerosene. The unmarked G jet is for white gas only. All 3 jets are provided in the WhisperLite Expedition Service Kit. Slide the jet and cable tool over the tip of the fuel line cable and grab the cable by tilting the tool at an angle, then pull it out. The cable may need to be loosened with a common lubricant such as WD-40 or pump cup oil. Wipe the cable clean and reinsert it into the fuel line. Using 5-inch strokes, move the cable back and forth about 20 times to remove any deposits in the line. Remove the cable completely and wipe it clean. Reattach the fuel line to the pump and secure it with the latch. Pressurize the bottle with 15 strokes of the pump. Making sure there are no ignition sources or flames nearby, open the valve and flush 3 to 4 tablespoons of fuel through the stove and into a container. Always operate the fuel bottle with the valve handle facing up. Safely dispose of the fuel used to flush your stove. Turn off the valve and detach the fuel line from the pump. Replace the cable into the fuel line until it is almost completely inserted. Replace the shaker needle and the jet. To do this, place the shaker needle inside the jet before screwing it in. Use the cable tool to make sure that the jet is tightly fastened. Remove the priming cup and slide the fuel line generator loop back into position. If using the WhisperLite International, be sure to replace the wick before securely fastening the priming cup. Prime and run the stove. If the stove is still not running at full capacity, then repeat the cleaning process. Regular stove maintenance ensures that your stove performs well for years to come. It is recommended that you perform this maintenance check before taking the WhisperLite on expeditions or long trips. For more information, please visit MSRgear.com.